Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Steve Stella. I'm your host for the Easy Way to Detox. Today, we're gonna be making healthy chocolate. Full of antioxidants and healthy fats. Check out this simple recipe. This is actually one of my favorite desserts, and I'm gonna show you guys this really simple recipe, and you guys can impress your friends when they come over. They're not gonna believe what these ingredients are. It's super simple. So the 3 ingredients I'm gonna use: cacao powder, coconut oil, and liquid stevia. Now you can use other sweeteners. You could use maple syrup, honey. This is actually gonna be a vegan and keto recipe. So all you need is a blender, these 3 ingredients. Let's get to work. So I'm gonna use 1 cup of coconut oil. I'm gonna use 3/4 of a cup of cacao powder. We're gonna add our stevia. I usually do about 2 droplets full. Now, you can make this as simple or as fancy as you want. You can add a lot of other things to this. You can add trace minerals. I like to add CBD to my chocolate. You could add cayenne pepper. You could also add a little bit of plant-based milk if you wanted to make a milk chocolate version. I'm gonna add some CBD oil. Why not? This will be a great snack at the end of the night. Nice, calm, and relaxed. Feeling good and not guilty. So once you have your ingredients in, you're just gonna blend away. Make sure everything is mixed all together here. Once you have all your ingredients blended, you'll have a nice, thick liquid. Grab a container, and you're gonna actually freeze this chocolate concoction for about 10 minutes. Just remember, when you're pouring your chocolate, if you want a nice thin piece, just go ahead and pour just a little bit in there, and I'm gonna show you a little example here. So I'll pour it in. You can even add a little Himalayan salt on the top. Let it sit for 10 minutes, we'll come back. While we're waiting, let me show you another trick. If you want to turn this chocolate into chocolate truffle, all you need is one other ingredient: coconut butter. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of this coconut butter to our mixture. Now go ahead and blend this again. Let's check it out. Once you blend it all together, just pour it in a container. Remember, get a nice thin piece. All right, we're back. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's see what we got. This is our finished product. This chocolate is amazing, guys. One of my favorites. You can let it sit for a little bit longer, but this is so good. Your friends and loved ones will never know the difference. You can make them healthy chocolate all the time. You know, I'm always promoting to use glass, but check this out. Just want to show you guys the consistency of what this chocolate's gonna do. So I froze this for 10 minutes. Check it out. Look at this. So good. Guys, there's a healthy version to everything. So good. I hope you like this recipe. Please like, share, and comment on this video, and we will see you next time on the easy way to detox.